I'm going to talk about the upcoming pattern. So this is going to be gravity is going to be controlled by humans. So in the future. So we're going to talk about the weather first. It takes a long time to make Earth's history. That's why it's not uploading. That's why it takes so long. Because there's so much information about the Earth's continent changing. So Scarborough could get some light rain. Oshawa could get some light rain. Quebec possible to get some drizzle or light rain showers. London, Ontario could get some light rain showers. Niagara Falls City could get some light rain showers. So some might get skipped because there's no time for it. So Stouffville could get some light rain. Peterborough could get some light rain. London gets nothing. Simcoe, it's gonna be wrong cities. So Simcoe is gonna be light rain showers possible. 8 a.m. nothing. 2 p.m. Mississauga and Oakville could get some light rain, and Brampton could get some light rain. Toronto could get some light rain. London could get some light rain, but it's about like 2.5 millimeters of rain. So Blue Mountain possible to get some. I'm gonna use the heaviest. So heaviest is gonna be like 6.25 millimeters of rain, even though it's 6.25. But this how I said like 6.25 same thing. So London I did. Hamilton could get some light rain. And Niagara Falls City could get some light rain, including Niagara-on-the-Lake could get some light rain. Sometimes it shows out 2.5 doesn't count. A dot. Or it's, yeah. So next hour, I'm gonna check if it's AM. So Scarborough could get some light rain, including Richmond Hill down to Toronto. Mississauga and Brampton could get some light rain, but it's gonna be 2.5 millimeters of rain. Hamilton could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Niagara Falls could get some no rain to 0.25 millimeters of rain, including Niagara Falls. Niagara-on-the-Lake gets more rain than Niagara Falls City, but it's it. So Barrie, Ontario could get some light rain, 0.25 millimeters of rain. Newmarket, same thing, 0.2 to 5 millimeters of rain. Quebec, nothing. 8 a.m. Niagara Falls, everywhere could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. So like there's some drier weather in Niagara-on-the-Lake than Niagara Falls City has better weather than Niagara-on-the-Lake. So it still counts as light rain, 0.25 millimeters of rain. So Scarborough could get some light rain. Blue Mountain, nothing. So Hanoi, nothing. Could be. Hanoi, Ontario could get some passing light rain. Niagara Falls City could get some light rain, 0.25. Niagara-on-the-Lake, 0.25 millimeters of rain. Fort Erie, light rain, 0.25. London could get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. London, that's London. Yeah, London, yeah. So Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rain. Niagara-on-the-Lake possible. Belleville possible to get some 0.25. Actually, it's gonna rain like 0.25 millimeters of rain. So Oakville could get some possible light rain showers with drizzle. Sunday shows up nothing. So next hour gets nothing for 8 a.m. There's something that's passing through Peterborough, Ontario could get some passing light rain before 2 p.m. and after 8 a.m. 8 p.m. gets nothing except between Lakes Huron. So it's Lions Head, not Lions Head. Wyerton could get some light rain possible. a.m. nothing. I'm gonna say nothing because it takes I missed something. 2 p.m. nothing. 8 p.m. nothing. So total precipitation in the next 12 hours, every 12 hours. Maybe again, it's gonna say nothing and nothing over again. It takes a long time. So 1.2 millimeters of rain in Scarborough. Richmond Hill could get some 0.7 millimeters of rain. Niagara Falls City could get some 2.5 millimeters of rain. Hanover Interior gets nothing actually. So London could get some 0.7, around 0.7 millimeters of rain. Fort area could get some 1.2 millimeters of rain. So cities might skip. So 8 p.m. 5 millimeters of rain in Brampton. Mississauga takes too long, so I'm gonna say 3 millimeters of rain. 3 millimeters of rain in downtown Toronto. Toronto Islands 2 millimeters of rain. So forth. Could get some 1 millimeters of rain, but 1.2 millimeters of rain or close to 2.5 millimeters of rain is in Scarborough. So Belleville nothing. So Belleville gets something, but not gonna count. So Quebec, no, not gonna count. So in Peterborough, it's gonna be 0.7 millimeters of rain, 6 millimeters of rain in Blue Mountain, Ontario, or Collingwood, which is inside Blue Mountain. So London, Ontario, is gonna be like around 1.2 millimeters of rain. So Hamilton, 3 millimeters of rain. Niagara-on-the-Lake is 0.2 to 0.7 millimeters of rain. 0.2 to 0.7 millimeters of rain in Niagara Falls. Niagara-on-the-Lake is 0.7 to 0.2 millimeters of rain in Niagara-on-the-Lake. Barrie, Ontario is easiest, so it's gonna be like 0.7 millimeters of rain around. Hanover's so like Barrie, Ontario could get some 0.2 millimeters of rain. So Scarborough, 0.7 millimeters of rain is possible. Oshawa, 0.7, same thing, but more rain than Scarborough. Quebec could get some 1.2 millimeters, or actually 0.7 millimeters of rain. Niagara Falls City could get some close to 2 millimeters of rain. Niagara-on-the-Lake could get some close to 0.7 millimeters of rain, mostly actually. So in the next hour, it's gonna take a few seconds to go to AVM. 24 hours. This weather model. So in, like Peterborough could get some passing 1.2 millimeters of rain. No, 0.2 closely. So it's nothing. Yeah, actually it's 0.2 millimeters of rain. 8 a.m. is nothing. 2 p.m. nothing. So total precipitation next 5 days close to. So 7 millimeters of rain in Brampton. Downtown Toronto is 5 millimeters of rain. 4 millimeters of rain in Toronto Island. 4 millimeters of rain so full. Scarborough could get some 5 millimeters of rain or 4.5 millimeters of rain. 3 millimeters of rain in Hamilton. 2 millimeters of rain in Niagara-on-the-Lake closely. So like Niagara Falls City could get some 6 millimeters of rain close to, but mostly it's 4 millimeters of rain. I say 5. Yeah, 5 millimeters of rain close to this. 9 millimeters, not 9. Yeah, 9 millimeters of rain in London. 9 millimeters of rain in London, Ontario in the next 5 days. So Blue Mountain is 7 millimeters of rain. Barrie, Ontario is 2.5 millimeters of rain. So in temperature, air temperature, not feels like this, air. Like when you go outside right away, it's like cold, hot, whatever. So 8 a.m. 3 p.m. Scarborough could get some 26 degrees. Mississauga, actually Brampton could get some 27, though Mississauga is 26. So 24 degrees in downtown Toronto. Toronto Island is 22 degrees. 26 or 25 degrees around London on actually 26. Yes, 26 degrees around London. Yes, 26 degrees around London, Ontario. Yes, it's 23 degrees around Hamilton. Niagara on the Lake could get some 24 degrees, 25 degrees in Niagara Falls City, 21 degrees in Blue Mountain, Ontario, 25 degrees in Barrie, Ontario. Peterborough is 25 degrees, 21 degrees in Cobourg. Next hour, 7 a.m. So 18 degrees in Scarborough. Brampton is 19 degrees, 20 degrees in Toronto, downtown Toronto, Toronto Island. Peterborough is 18 degrees. Cobourg is 20 degrees, 16 degrees Blue Mountain, Barrie, Ontario, and London. Skip that. So 18 degrees around London. It's gonna be around London. To be far away London, actually close to London, but it's around London. So Niagara on the Lake could be 21 degrees. 20 degrees in Niagara Falls City. So next hour or hours. So it's 25 degrees is Stoffel, Scarborough. It's a little bit warmer though it doesn't count. So 25 degrees in Brampton, 23 degrees in Toronto, Toronto Island, 20 degrees is in Blue Mountain, 26 degrees in Peterborough, 23 degrees in Cobourg, 25 degrees in Niagara on the Lake, 26 degrees in Niagara Falls City, 25 degrees in London, Ontario, 23 degrees in Hamilton, very not gonna count. So 20 degrees in Scarborough, Stoffel, and Scarborough 21, close to 21 I think. So 20 degrees in Brampton, 21 degrees in Toronto, Toronto Island is 20 degrees, 18 degrees in Peterborough, Cobourg is 20 degrees, 18 degrees in Blue Mountain, 20 degrees around London, 21 degrees in Niagara on the Lake, 20 degrees in Niagara Falls City, Newmarket and skip. So Belleville could get some 20 degrees, 3 p.m. 29 degrees in Scarborough, Stoffel, but Scarborough is gonna be cooler, so around 27 degrees. So 29 degrees in Brampton, 25 degrees in downtown Toronto Island 23, 27 degrees in Hamilton, 21 degrees in Blue Mountain, 26 degrees in Peterborough, Cobourg is 23 degrees, London is 27 degrees, 26 degrees. Niagara on the Lake is going to be 27 degrees, Niagara Falls City is 27 degrees. So 17 in Brampton, Stoffel is 16 degrees including Scarborough, 17 degrees. 18 degrees in downtown Toronto, Toronto Island 19 degrees, Blue Mountain is 16 degrees, 17 degrees in Peterborough, Cobourg is 19 degrees, 16 degrees to at London or 17. 21 degrees in Niagara on the Lake, and Niagara Falls is 20 degrees, 18 degrees in Hamilton, 16 degrees in around Barrie, Ontario, and Blue Mountain 16 degrees. So Stoffel, Scarborough is gonna be 28 degrees, Scarborough is 28 degrees, 28 degrees in Brampton, Ontario. Downtown Toronto is gonna be like 25 degrees, 23 degrees around Toronto Island, 27 degrees in London, 27 degrees, 25 degrees in Hamilton, 26 degrees around Niagara on the Lake. Niagara Falls City is 28 degrees, 24 degrees in Blue Mountain. So 21 degrees in Stoffel, Scarborough is 22 close to. So 22 degrees in Brampton, 22 against the 22 degrees most part of Toronto, including in London is 23 degrees, 22 actually. 23 degrees in Niagara on the Lake, 22 degrees in Niagara Falls City, 20 degrees in Hamilton, 20 degrees in Peterborough, 22 degrees in Cobourg, 20 degrees in Blue Mountain, Barrie, Ontario is 20 degrees. So 29 degrees in Stoffel, Scarborough is around 28 degrees, Brampton is 29 degrees, 26 degrees in downtown Toronto, Toronto Island 24 degrees, 28 degrees in Blue Mountain, 27 degrees in Peterborough. Coburg's 24 degrees. 30 degrees or 29 degrees in London. 30 degrees Niagara-on-the-Lake. 31 degrees in Niagara Falls City. 34 is Hamilton. 29 degrees, close to 30 degrees is like Barrie, Ontario. Blue Mountains 28 degrees.